This two-bedroom, 1.5-bath home features over 1,400 square feet of living space. The appealing covered porch welcomes you in as you enter the comfortable living space. You are sure to enjoy the light and bright open floor plan and desirable fireplace. Situated directly off the living room is the dining area and kitchen. The kitchen highlights are the breakfast bar, stainless steel stove, and dishwasher, abundant cabinet space, and access to the back patio with its serene views. Finishing off the main level is a half bath. The second level hosts the spacious primary bedroom, which features stunning skylights, ceiling fan, plentiful closet space and the double closets, and a wonderful master bath. A secondary bedroom and additional full bath are also located on the second level,